In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create YouTube channel banner or art in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean professional banner that looks great on phones, computers, and TVs. All using Canva's beginner-friendly tools. First, open Canva and in the search bar type, YouTube channel art. This pulls up pre-designed templates that are already the correct size for YouTube banners. So you don't have to worry about dimensions. Browse the results and pick a design that matches your channel's vibe. Maybe bold and energetic for gaming, friendly and personal for vlogging, or clean and minimalist for education. You can always change colors, images, and fonts later. So focus on layout and overall style that feels right for your brand. Before you start customizing, understand the safe area. On YouTube, parts of your banner get cropped differently on mobile, desktop, and television. To avoid losing important content, keep your channel name, logo, and key visuals in the center of the design. Think of it as the guaranteed visible space across devices. Everything important lives there. Decorative elements can extend outside. Now let's customize. In the Elements tab, search for icons, shapes, lines, and subtle graphics that support your theme without cluttering the design. Use brand colors to create consistency. For text, add your channel name and an optional tagline. Choose fonts that reflect your brand but stay readable. Avoid overly thin scripts for small screens. Use size, weight, and spacing to build a clear hierarchy and make sure your text has strong contrast with the background. In uploads, bring in your own photos or logo. Position them within the safe area and scale thoughtfully so they don't compete with your text. For precise alignment, turn on rulers and guides by going to File, View Settings, then Show Rulers and Guides. Drag guides from the rulers to mark the edges of your safe area and align everything to the center. This step helps you keep spacing consistent and prevents accidental cropping later. When you are happy with the design, download it as a PNG for crisp text and logos, or as a JPG if you prefer a smaller file size. Then head to your YouTube channel's customization section and upload the banner. If a preview appears, double-check that your important content sits neatly within the visible area before saving. That's it. Thanks for watching.